County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Bugle County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Crawford in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Standard Time County in northeastern Ohio, 1:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm was located.
Yeah, tornado warrant just got issued for tornado watch number 25.
Minor damage to vehicles. Expect damage. Locations impacted. Southwestern Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Atlantic.
Annual station.
And Trumbull in Crawford, Pennsylvania. Weather bulletin for the following county. This is no weather radio.
All right, what a nice start to the season, eh? Oh, tornado watch, GUA 25, tornado watch. GUA 25. Oh, you went off.
Effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. Remember, a tornado favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe damage are imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 25 has been issued from 1:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio. And the following northwestern Pennsylvania to 4 p.m. Mercer. At 1:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near North Bluefield, or 11 miles north of Lawrence, with a margin of 50 miles per hour.
All right, what a start to the season.
Upper 40s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Wait.
Northwestern Pennsylvania. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Really?
For Sunday night, clear. Lows in the lower 40s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
All right, so here's the plan for today. Most of our radios, from the 12991 to the 522, are on WWG56. The only channel that's going to cover WWG53 is the WR300. I got at my thrift shop last week. Maybe EAS 35 with VH, but actually, I'm only going to use it if it's like. Something gets issue for playing the software, you know what I mean. Because, yeah. Because just like 2 minutes ago, they issued a severe thunderstorm warning over Constructon and Muskingum. Musk! Until 2:30 p.m. Ah, shit! Can I watch? Can I please watch Cars 2?
Ohio County in east central Ohio until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located
This needs
6
to
miles
all go
southwest
off.
of Carrollton, moving northeast at 40 miles per
For the full company, and finally, a love duet.
Source. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County of east central Ohio, western Columbiana County of east central Ohio, northwestern Jefferson, Ohio County in east central. That's AlleghenyCounty.us/weather. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wellsville, Carrollton, Lisbon, Augusta, Shalingville, Delaware, Summitville, Mechanicstown, Harlem Springs, and Mechanicstown, Harlem Springs, New Garden, Wilford Lake State Park, Winona, Leesville Lake Park, and Edgewood Lake. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday for a portion of Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana. Therefore, the warning has been canceled.
No, it won't.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern.
I think we got a new station. Oh boy. Oh, wait, I was
215-215.
No, that's not. Ah, Corey, are you gonna do that again?
Locations impacted include Reuploaded, Carrollton.
Sorry about that. That went real well.
I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room with you.
This is the house known as the writing room. Source. Radar indicated.
Okay.
Impact. Expect damage to lines, siding, and trees. A severe thunderstorm has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Standard Time for the following counties: Steel, Midvale, Bertels, Amsterdam. 8 p.m. Standard Time Saturday for a portion of east central Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. Over station WWG56 from down on a frequency of 162.540 megahertz.
No, it's blue. If I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. And I said it better, that I wasn't better alone. Try to be better, that's just not ever, but it's better, it's better. Again?
p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 2:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Hell was that?
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh
Bernie's playing on too.
At a time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 gusts and small hail. Radar indicated. Impact. Expects damage to roof northwest Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Mercer and Venango. An urgent weather message.
What the fuck?
The National Weather Service include Cranberry, Eastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, and Lawrence shelter inside a well-built structure.
The hell was that
Away
voice?
from windows. The storm service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Central Ohio, north central Jefferson County, in central Ohio, southwestern Butler County, in west central Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties.
I guess
Indiana,
Pittsburgh
Ohio,
went
and
Australia,
North
mate.
Pennsylvania.
Good day, mate. Welcome to Pittsburgh, Pittsburgh. Good day, mate.
This is bulletin for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Indiana, and Jefferson. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, southern Jefferson, Pennsylvania County and west central Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Punxsutawney, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Punxsutawney, Reynoldsville, Sickesville, Big Run, Rossiter, Worthville, and Anita. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for a portion of west central Pennsylvania.